Some showers and storms this morning, starting to see some breaks in the clouds here this afternoon. Actually, pretty comfortable temperature-wise out there. Live look of our Embassy Suites hotel camera in downtown Knoxville, but we're not completely done with our rain chances yet. We have a few spotty storms up into southeast Kentucky from McCreary County all the way over to Lee County, Virginia. They're kind of moving east-southeast across the area, so they may impact portions of the Tri-Cities. Also, some storms back towards central Kentucky near Campbellsville. We'll keep an eye on that as well. Wider perspective shows those are kind of sliding southeastward into the area. So widespread storms not expected. One or two spotty storms certainly possible as we go over the next couple of hours. Once we're past the midnight time frame, past sunset, things will start to quiet down across the area. What cloud cover we do have will slowly thin out. That could lead to some patchy fog first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now, not bad. 80. Knoxville, a very comfortable 75 in Crossville, 78 in Pikeville, and 76 in Jamestown. And the winds are still rather brisk out of the west. The winds die down, staying mild tonight, mid to upper 60s for most, including about 67 here. A comfortable 60 in Barberville and 61 for Oneida, Jamestown, and Crossville. Highs tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. We start with a little bit of cloud cover or fog in the morning, plenty of afternoon sunshine, and near average readings. 87 is the average high, and we'll be very close to that here in the Knoxville area. Not a ton of humidity tomorrow. The heat index, or what it feels like when you factor the humidity, within a few degrees of the actual high. Remember, the high was 87. That will change those. We had a little bit later here in time. By Saturday, mostly sunny. Actual high temperatures close to 90 degrees. Heat index values jump into the mid-90s here in Knoxville, feeling more like upper 90s, areas to the south and west. That trend will continue to climb as well. So the first value you're seeing here as we head into early next week, that's the forecast high. These are forecast heat index values. So the high of 94 Monday will feel like 105. It'll feel like 105 Tuesday and 102 by the time we get to Wednesday. Average high, by the way, is 86. And yes, these are well above average temperatures, but they're not record levels. The records next week, they're well into the triple digits. 99 here on Wednesday, but 100 Monday, 102 Tuesday. And you know that the dates here, if you were here in 1988, you know that was a hot year. This was a streak of very, very warm conditions. So yes, it's above average, but not quite to record levels the way it's looking. We get to Sunday again, we got triple digit heat index values. We're feeling like about 100 here in Knoxville, 103 in Spring City, and 100 degrees in Pikeville. Forecast looks like this. Still a few spotty storms out there this evening. Otherwise, it's going to be on the muggy side. Temperatures will drop to right around 67 degrees. Can't rule out some patchy fog. Otherwise, as we go later into the weekend, we're seeing climbing temperatures. 93, the expected high Sunday. As I showed you, it'll feel close to 100, and then those 100 plus heat index values as we head into next week. Those rain chances, very, very slim. If we see them, the better opportunities are going to be over the higher elevations of the Smokies. The storms that do pop up, though, could have some strong winds with them and some locally heavy rainfall, something we'll certainly need to watch. But notice those overnight lows. They are very mild, staying in the low to mid 70s, meaning doesn't really cool off much as we go through the overnight hours.
Yeah, it's going to get hot. All right, Ken, thank you. Still ahead on 6 News.